Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to split body. So you can go to the parametric body, I will create new sketch and then choose the top lens. For the example, you can draw rectangle and use pad tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to split this body, you can go to the part workbench. And in there I will create for the split objects. So you can create new sketch. I will use the easy plan or easy plan, and then I will create rectangles for the split part. And the next convert into plan. As your face, you can move like into here. Click OK. To split, you can click pad and then click again face. Go to part menu, split, and then we can use slice apart. So we have these options: explode slice. You can move by right click, transforms, and you can move the part and another part for slice one. Move again, slide into here. So that's it for a basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to split body.